Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just after 1 o'clock in Honolulu, 7 o'clock in New York. It is Tuesday, 18th day of May 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. We had a modest gain in gold, a slight decline in silver, copper down about a penny and a half. On today's show, what I want to focus on are our exit target strategies for the trades that we are currently in. We'll do that individually for gold, silver, and copper. Our show begins now. Gold did have fractional gains today, currently fixed at $1,869.90. That is a gain of $1.90 on the day. We did send out a special trade alert to buy New York's open yesterday. It was a fast market condition, which meant that we got in this trade at $1,851, although the opening price was $1,846. We do have a stop at $1,838. Yesterday's move was absolutely significant. If you recall from our show on Friday, we spoke about the fact that the high that came in just shy of the 61.8% retracement. It is also an area that we saw some real resistance come into the market as seen by these series of tops. And what we said was that now we are really at the top of the range, and the bottom of the range we defined as really the 21-day exponential moving average. We noticed that we had a cross between that and the 100-day moving average, and that was significant, but we were still seeing some resistance. What we said was a break above this particular area, and especially the 200-day moving average, would trigger a buy signal. That was the primary reason we issued a buy signal to buy yesterday morning on the open. The fact that we had a higher high and a higher low, although fractional, is certainly impressive. And what it tells me is that our first real target, if we want to look at potential resistance itself, is got to be 1900, because we can look at this series of tops that come in and they match precisely where we're at now. I see this as very minor resistance at 1880. A move above that really would signal that we're probably headed to 1900 and beyond. My absolute top target in our most optimistic manner would be a move to approximately 1950. That represents the 78% fib retracement, and it also corresponds with these series of tops that occurred at the beginning of the year. Therefore, traders, maintain your current long positions and maintain your current stops. Fast market conditions did the same for our entry price for silver. Silver is currently at 28 and a half, putting it down almost 5 cents on the trading day. Our entry price is 27.65. Our stop is at 27.49. Now, the conditions with silver are quite different from gold. If you recall from yesterday's show, I did have a little concern in that the high that came in right at the 23.6% fib retracement, but it closed just below that. Although today we traded well above that, trading almost to $29, it did close lower and currently is trading in Australia at 28.26. So I would look for a potential pullback, but I think that this is an achievable move above this price point. If we get that, we would look at the particular price point drawn by the highs that came in, which are approximately $29.25 is our first level of resistance, and then $30 would be my upside target for my most optimistic exit strategy. However, my caveat to this trade is we must see silver pricing breach the current level of resistance that resides at $28.37. Therefore, traders, my recommendation is to maintain your current long silver positions, maintain your current stop, but be aware of any kind of resistance that comes in this area. Lastly, I do want to touch upon copper, which is currently trading at $4.71 if we round it up. It is trading off by approximately 1.5 cents. Although copper has been consolidating after hitting a new all-time record high, we can easily see that high that came in last week. I believe it was on Monday, but that is this high here of $4.87 per pound. I am still looking for copper to breach $5 with our upside target at around $5.89 over the next 2 months. We do have a July contract, so we have time. As I spoke about on Friday, the key level that we really want to see it hold is this former top, and that comes in at approximately $4.65. Maintain your long copper position along with your stop. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.